How to upload files via the cPanel File Manager. Log into your cPanel account. You will be on this page. Now go to Files section and click on the File Manager. There is a list of file directories. Select one of the directories to save your files. For example, click on public_HTML to open it in the adjoining window. Now click on Upload. You can drag and drop the file inside the rectangular box, or you can click on the Select File button. That's it. We have successfully uploaded the file using cPanel File Manager. Now you can go to the public HTML directory inside the File Manager and see the uploaded file. Here is the uploaded file. Thank you for watching.